Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your talent on Eventeus. So after that you're connected on your account, you click on Create Talent or Experience, and then you click on Offer a New Talent. And here you have 5 steps to follow. First, you choose the visibility of your talent, either private or public, and then you choose either it's an online or offline talent. Afterwards, you choose a title for your talent, like Music DJ and then you choose the category and subcategories of your talent. Then we go to the next step, and here we put the description of our talent, and then we put the level of experience, like confirmed, for example. Then we go to the next step. Here we choose the currency, like euro, and then we define the starting price. Afterwards, you add any additional services that you offer and the places where the services are offered, like Paris, for example. And then you go to the next step, and here you have to add tags like DJ, music, wedding, and then add what is included, like music equipment, and what is not included. And then you add highlights, like for having an experience of 8 years. Afterwards, you go to the final step, and here you add a photo or a video that describes your talent. And finally, you click on Finalize and Submit for validation.